So, yeah, I totally bent my arm on my BabyHawk. See if you can see it there. It is bent up. Now, I actually thought it came with an extra arm, and after digging through the box, it doesn't. So, I got a couple days off, and I want to fly it some more. So, I'm going to try to fix it. Did like a 3-second search on Google, and pretty much everything was, nope, can't fix, bent carbon fiber, replace it. Some people said he could heat it up. I don't know. But we're gonna find out. Since I don't have a replacement, I go back to work in a couple days, and I want to fly. So that's what we're gonna do here. Get that fucking strap off. Probably be smart to take the props off first, make this a hell of a lot easier. But I've started, so I'm gonna get this strap mostly off. Yeah, let's get these fucking props off. These props, by the way, are the worst things ever fucking made. I wanted to fly 4-prop, just try it out. And I literally bought the first ones that fit on this that I could find. And yeah. I'll show you this prop here in a second. This is from like landing in soft grass. I mean, the props are just all fucking curved. I had one bent leg straight down. And I just like pulled it up, kept flying. I did have other props with me, but I really wanted to get my 99 cents out of these. So another shit prop. Did like the Vons or Avons that came with this, but you just crack. You have a good crash and they'd fucking bend. You could crack them with your hand, keep flying, you know, have good vibration, or bad vibration. So I definitely need to figure out a different prop, sturdier prop. The Emax props do just fucking rip though. I like them, but I'm learning to fly still, so I crash a lot. And I went through the pair that came on it and the backup pair in like 10 fucking packs. So this bend happened crashing into dirt. We're like flooding here, so the dirt, the grass is super, super soft. So that just blew me away that I picked up my quad after a pack and a half. After just fucking diving into the ground and seeing that. I don't know. Can these 4 props pull so much torque? And if this motor is hot, could that heat and torque bend that? I don't know. I doubt it. I really doubt it. So yeah, we'll pull these back motors off. Oh, there's a fucking nut on there. What am I gonna do about that? Son of a bitch. I did not want to take this top plate off. Just hoping I can just slide the arm off. I wonder if I have to cut that strap. I really hope not. And do I have a nut driver that small? I think I do. But yeah, that fucking zip tie's gonna have to go. Is this the smallest one I have? Shit. I wonder if I can just get enough bite to get it off. I think I'm getting somewhere. Yup. Oh, skin part. Arms out. That's the side. That's definitely the one with the nuts. Put that together. So let's see how bent this is. Oh, let me look. Yeah. She got fucking roasted. So my plan is just to heat it, use these clamps, clamp it to this. Got a heat gun here, went and bought a new one. I have like 5 and no idea where they all go, especially when you move as much as I do. It's just like you buy one, you move, get there, need a heat gun, can't fucking find it. I have like 5 hacksaws too, but I only know where one is. So that's kind of my game plan. One got a heat gun, clamp them down, heat it, and see if it holds. I mean, what's the worst that could happen? I break it, it gets weak. I'm gonna order a new one anyway. I should have already. But yeah, it's the middle of the night, so whether I do it now or in a couple hours, doesn't really matter. Another thought I had was to bake it and see what happened then. So I guess let's just do it. And these rubber feet are probably gonna have to come off. Yeah, they're gonna give me trouble. I'm not even put these rubber feet back on because why do you really need them unless you're working on something delicate? So we do something like that. Right. Oh, let's get it a little centered. Oh, this hole's fucking with that. shoot for right there. As soon as the fucking pop off, I don't even know it. There we go. Alright. Damn, that's pretty low the way it is. But I'm gonna throw this one on there too. Yeah, I should turn it this way. I don't know, you guys might be able to see it alright. Oh, if I could do that, that'd be lovely. I'm digging that. I am digging that. Sweet. Alright, go time. I pray don't trip a breaker. I actually have a little Ethereum miner running under there, so we'll see. Oh yeah. In case you're wondering, I have absolutely no idea how hot to get this. If it starts smoking, stop, I guess. Hold on, I'm gonna reposition. Let's go like that. Spin this around. Something like that. Break my razor blade, make sure you guys still can see. And we can come in a little bit. Crush one of my motors. Alright, let's keep going. Definitely hot to the touch. Actually, I wonder if my heat comes in my racing bag over there. For nitro racing, I don't know. I probably pulled it out since I got a warmer for the motor. And I really don't race nitro cars anymore. Hot to the touch. I'm gonna see what that does. Juicing on the backside here pretty good. We'll let it slowly cool. Come back, see what we got. Leave it in the clamps. See what we got. Doesn't look like it bent anything else. The front ones look perfectly fine. So yeah, that is very hot. So I'm just gonna pause the camera here and we'll come back in a minute when she cools. Alright, so it's definitely cool to touch. So the moment of truth, which one do I want to do first? That looks promising. That was popping earlier. Holy shit. Look at that. I can't believe it. Watch, I'm gonna snap it. Where's the ruler? I really doubted this was gonna work. Here, let me see if you guys see that. Boom! Fuck yeah! Which one was bent? I think it was this one. Yeah. Hell yeah. Dude, I'm so jacked right now. I totally thought that was fucked. Now, that means I can put it back together and I can go fly tomorrow. So, fuck yeah. Let's put this back together. Thing still works. Inch 0. Let's go metric. 2.7. So, we'll say 3mm. Yep, 3mm. Finished. So much better. Cool.